Everyone wants good hair, right? Thick, healthy hair that looks clean, strong, and put together the moment you walk into a room. But let's be honest, most men treat their hair like it doesn't matter. We wash it wrong, dry it wrong, style it aggressively, eat poorly, stay stressed, and then wonder why it looks thin, dry, frizzy, or lifeless. Today we're fixing that. No hype, no influencer nonsense, just real, practical, science-backed habits that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your hair look healthier, stronger, and more confident. When we talk about cleansing, we're not just talking about washing hair, we're talking about your scalp. That's where most men mess up. Every day, your scalp collects sweat, oil, dirt, pollution, and product buildup. If you don't clean it properly, follicles clog, hair weakens, and growth slows down. Here's the truth most men don't hear. No shampoo in the world makes hair thicker or grow faster. That's marketing. Shampoo has one job: to clean. That's it, nothing else. So how often should you wash your hair? It depends on your lifestyle. If you mostly stay indoors or work a desk job, 2 to 3 washes a week are enough. If you train at the gym, sweat heavily, work outdoors, or use styling products, you can wash more often. Just make sure you're using a mild, gentle shampoo. Now let's talk about choosing the right shampoo. If your scalp gets oily fast or your hair feels greasy even without oiling, look for shampoos with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, or glycolic acid. These help control oil, exfoliate the scalp, and remove buildup. If your scalp feels dry, itchy, or tight, go for shampoos with argan oil, coconut milk, or biotin. These clean without stripping natural oils. If you struggle with dandruff, you need ingredients like ketoconazole or zinc pyrithione. These actually target the fungus that causes dandruff, not just hide flakes. One more important rule: never pour shampoo directly onto your scalp. Dilute it first. Mix it with water in your hand or a cup, then apply. Make sure your hair is fully wet before applying, and massage gently with fingertips, not nails, for 1 to 2 minutes. And no matter how cold it is, avoid hot water. Hot water damages roots and makes hair frizzy and dull. Use normal or cool water instead. Now condition. Many men skip this, and that's a mistake. Shampoo strips oils, conditioner restores moisture and smoothness. Without it, hair stays dry, rough, and brittle. Important rule: conditioner is for hair strands, not your scalp. And forget those 2-in-1 shampoo bottles. They don't work properly. If your hair feels dry or frizzy, don't fear conditioners with silicone. They coat strands, reduce breakage, and instantly improve appearance. Healthy looking hair matters. Next, drying. Aggressive towel rubbing destroys hair. Stop doing that. Pat hair gently instead. Even better, use a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt. If you use a blow dryer, keep it on cool or medium air. High heat weakens hair over time. Oils. Use them smart. Argan, coconut, and jojoba oils are great, but your scalp already produces oil. Don't drown it daily. After showering, take a few drops, rub between palms, and apply only to the ends. That's enough for shine and softness. Once or twice a month, do a full scalp oil massage. Leave it for an hour, then wash. No overnight oiling. That clogs pores and worsens dandruff. Nutrition matters more than products. Your hair is mostly protein. If you don't eat enough protein, your hair stays weak and thin. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, soy, get them in. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados help too. Drink water, sleep properly. Stress kills hair faster than bad shampoo ever will. Now, scalp exfoliation, highly underrated. You exfoliate your skin, right? Your scalp needs it too. Dead skin and buildup block follicles. Once a week, use a gentle scalp scrub or mix brown sugar with conditioner. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse, then shampoo. This boosts blood flow and supports growth. Rice water rinse? Yes, it works if done right. It contains amino acids, vitamins, and starches that reduce breakage and smooth hair, but don't overdo it. Rinse rice, soak it for 30 to 40 minutes, strain, and use the water the next day. Apply in the shower, massage gently, leave for 20 to 30 minutes, then shampoo and condition. 2 times a week is enough. Now, a secret weapon most men ignore: lymphatic scalp massage. This isn't aggressive rubbing. It's gentle circular movements that increase blood flow and drain toxins. It reduces hair fall and tension headaches. Use fingertips, not nails. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Protect your hair from heat and sun. Yes, men need this too. UV rays damage hair, making it dry and brittle. Use a heat protectant before blow drying. If you're outdoors a lot, wear a cap or use a leave-in serum with UV protection. Use a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove buildup. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase if possible. Less friction, less breakage. Your hair doesn't need 20 products. It needs consistency. Clean scalp, conditioned strands, gentle drying, smart oiling, proper food, stress control, protection. Do this for 1 month and your hair will look noticeably healthier. healthier, not just shiny on the outside, but stronger from the inside. Because hair isn't just hair for men, it's confidence, it's presence, it's how disciplined you are with yourself. Take care of it like something that represents you. If this helped, like the video so more men can see it. And if you want to upgrade your habits, confidence, and appearance, subscribe to Improvement Cult.